All right, you're looking to scale your personal training business. You want to increase your offers. You want to make more of an impact. You want to make more income. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to share with you some of the most important tips that I teach our 60 plus personal trainers how to crush and have an amazing, lucrative in-home personal training business. It's Mike Taggart. I'm the CEO of In-Home Trainer, a team of 60 plus personal trainers across North America, crushing with their own in-home and online personal training businesses. I have nothing here to sell you. Just giving back is my duty right now. I just want to give you as much information as I can. If you're a personal trainer who is new to this industry, or perhaps maybe you are already an established personal trainer, I want to teach you some of the fundamentals that I teach our in-home personal trainers and online personal trainers, how they can massively scale and grow a very lucrative in-home personal training business. So, all right, let's get to it. So, one of the first things that we do when a personal trainer enters our world is we teach them all about their main offer. So what is your main offer? For most personal trainers, if you have pivoted and you are starting your own business, maybe you're an online personal trainer, or maybe you're a in-home personal trainer, or maybe you just have a few, you don't even call yourself any of those titles, but you just have a few private clients that you are teaching, and whether it be online or going to their homes or whatever it may be. Well, what I want to tell you is the first thing that we teach a lot of our personal trainers is your offer, and really getting down nitty-gritty with your offer. So what does that exactly mean? Well, let me give you an example. If you are just selling a personal training session, okay, think about this. You sign up a client and maybe they buy 10 or 20 or 100 sessions. It doesn't really matter. Well, one of the things you need to start to develop is adding in bonuses. And you see, I'll show you an example of, or I'll give you an example of what we do with our in-home personal trainers. So rather than when someone comes to us and they want to buy 10 or 20 personal training sessions, and we know they may be shopping other personal trainers, rather than decrease our price, which is a race to the bottom, we will actually increase the value, which doesn't cost us any further money other than maybe a little bit of investment in some time. And so let me give you an example. So that package that you may have sold to a client, and let's say they came to our company, or they came and saw another personal trainer who had a stack of offers and bonuses that went along with that 100 sessions for the exact same price. So for example, if we have 100 sessions, we would say, excellent, now you're going to get a free smoothie guide, you're going to get 5-minute meals, you are going to get eating out healthy guide, you are going to get programmed photo video illustration, you're going to get weekly accountability, you're going to get emails, you're going to get our top 3 selling ebooks. And you see how we have just increased a value stack? And all of these things are for free, added to our personal training package. So, Mrs. Jones, you are going to get all of these things plus your 100 sessions. And so suddenly we've made our offer much more valuable, as opposed to it just being 100 sessions and yeah, I'll meet you once a week. No, when you join, you are going to get X, Y, Z. Okay? And you're going to get multiple things and multiple layers to help you achieve your goals. So that's the first thing, is when you're driving your offer, you want to create a bunch of bonus stacks. Now, any of our personal trainers in our team, we have created a bunch of these for them already. So it makes it super simple for someone who is on the fence or someone who is price shopping. So again, we do not lower prices, it's a race to the bottom, but rather we just add more value. So you're going to get the 5-minute smoothie guide. You are going to get meals done for you. You are going to, when you go to a restaurant, we are going to have the exact template, the exact programs, the exact meal plans, what you should be ordering, and so on and so on. So we build a whole bunch of stacks and just add more value, and the client now is much more likely to work with us as opposed to the trainer who offered the exact same package of just 100 sessions or 5 sessions or 1 session. You see where I'm going with that? So adding your stack, building out your stack, yes, it might be a little bit of investment in time to create this, but you create this once and now you have a bonus stack. So very, very important if you are running a personal training business. So And it's also going to just be better customer service. People are going to love that service from you. So really, really important. Make sure you're doing that in your business right now. Now, if you want to be a super ninja on this, there are some more hacks to this. So what you could do is you could actually partner with people in your industry, or actually preferably just outside of your industry. So not a direct competitor, but for example, you could partner with a local chiropractor down the street. You could partner with a massage therapist. You could partner with the smoothie maker, or the whatever you call them, the people that make smoothies. You partner with them, a company that does that. And suddenly you partner with those companies and you say, hey, any of my clients that I sign up, I'm actually going to give them one free value of $100 of your chiropractic service. Would you be willing to offer that? Of course, the chiropractor is going to say yes. It's a new client for him or a new lead. Sure, here, take a bunch of these $100 certificates or $50 certificates. The exact same thing with the smoothie place down the street. Yeah, absolutely. Any client you bring in, we'll give them the first free smoothie on us. Hey, the massage therapist, absolutely. First visit, hey, here's $75 off. So now you've created this bonus stack that costs you nothing. But again, it's increased the value of your main offer. So again, you're not decreasing your price. You're just adding more value in there. Do you see where I'm going with this? You can be a super ninja with this and just partner with as many businesses as you can. And suddenly you may have a list of $500 or $600 worth of extra goodies that you can give someone when they join your program. So very, very important. Again, something we teach all of our trainers. Now, the next step, you want to take that super, super ninja even further, you can negotiate a commission. So, hey, Mr. Chiropractor down the street, anybody that I bring in and that joins your program, hey, would you be willing to negotiate a commission? So if they sign up for more chiropractic sessions or they sign up for 6 months of treatments with you, hey, would that be worth $250 per client that I send you? Mr. Chiropractor probably, or Mrs. Chiropractor is probably going to say yes. Okay, so you can negotiate commissions and actually make a little more extra income on top of that. So these are some surefire ways how you're going to increase the value of your personal training offer. Super, super important. And when doing all of these combined things, and when you start networking with the right people, and you suddenly start sending people to the chiropractor, sending people to the smoothie maker down the street, sending people to the massage therapist, guess what's going to happen? They're going to be sending people back to you. So your referrals are going to be increasing. A good friend of mine, Craig Ballantyne, always says this: your network is your net worth. So build your network to have a thriving personal training business. So again, those are some of the fundamentals that we teach all of our trainers and that I'm giving you right now because I want you to succeed. Again, I have nothing here to sell you, just I'm trying to help personal trainers in this world. I have a business with trainers all across North America. We do in-home online personal training. Hey, if it's the right fit and you want to work with us, sure, send me a message. Find us online at inhometrainer.ca or inhometrainer.us. And you can check out more of my videos here on this YouTube channel. So again, moving forward with your personal training offer, make sure you have a stack, make sure you have a network of people that you can refer out to. Now I want to touch on another important point about personal training and building an offer where people just are going to have a hard time saying no. And so the next one is building in guarantees. So what is a guarantee? Well, listen, I will give you a perfect example. So someone comes into our world and they are interested in personal training and they are interested in a first session, a first meeting with someone. Maybe they're interested in 3 sessions just to get the ball rolling. We will guarantee that. Absolutely, no problem. So our first session, yes, it costs this amount of dollars. We have a starter session that costs X amount of dollars. We do not do free sessions, and I'll explain that in a minute why we don't do free sessions. But we'll do a first session, but what we'll do is we'll guarantee it. So, hey, Mrs. Jones, absolutely, the first visit is X amount of dollars. For us, it's $59 right now. Maybe it's $97 for certain type of programs. But whatever it may be, hey, absolutely, our first program, our first session is $59. We'll come to you, we'll take your blood pressure, resting heart rate, measurements, all of that. We're going to design a program for you. If you are absolutely not 100% satisfied with our service, we offer a 100% money back guarantee. And that, again, is going to push people over to joining your program. We would do the exact same thing. You could do the exact same thing and be a super ninja here and have a 1-month trial or a 6 months or a 6-week trial, whatever you feel comfortable with. Okay, I never give the magic number to any trainer because it is time, but at the end of the day, you need to understand the math. If we do a 1-month trial, like absolutely, you are going to 100% get your money back if you're not satisfied 100% with our service. And that could be, we could see them 10 times, we could see them 8 times, it doesn't really matter. But when you understand the math, you're gonna realize that it's gonna be a very, very small percentage that are gonna take you up on that offer, maybe like 1%. But your conversions are gonna be way higher. So your bottom line is you're gonna be making more money. So do you see how that works? So offering a guarantee that you are confident in, that you can help people move faster towards their goals. Because the one thing that you can't guarantee someone is if they don't sign up with you today, that they're not going to get results. Okay, I can't guarantee you, Mrs. Jones, if you do not sign up with us today, the only thing I can guarantee you is that we're not going to be able to see results. But I can guarantee that you're going to get an exceptional service from my team, exceptional service from me. And it's 100% guaranteed. You can even have it in writing for them. And remember, only a small percentage of people, if you absolutely suck, or maybe they're just going to take you up on that guarantee, but it's going to be a very small percent. But what you're going to do is you're going to push way more people into getting started, which is essentially what we are here on this planet to do as personal trainers, to help people get started. One of the hardest parts for people is making that mental commitment to start a fitness program. Because they know that it's going to be hard. And let's not kid ourselves. As personal trainers, sometimes we may push our clients a little too hard. And they understand that. And they know that it's going to be investment in time, an investment in movement, which some people are just not ready to do, or maybe they are ready to do, but they're just a little scared. So when you add a stack, when you add bonuses, and when you add guarantees, you're going to have a personal training business that is thriving. So hopefully you found this valuable. I'm Mike Tengretta, CEO of InHomeTrainer.ca.us. Listen, appreciate you for watching this video, sticking to the end. Appreciate all of you on my channel, everybody who follows the email list and follows me as well. Again, you can follow me here on YouTube, subscribe, like, share more videos, and I'll see you next time.